I was approached already by some pharmaceutical companies and some whistleblowers some months, siguro 2-3 months ago. And I heard about this practice, no? It's concerning yung, I think you're talking about the Belkens Pharma Incorporated, wherein the shareholders are doctors and they import quality naman, no? Drugs, most are for hypertension, diabetes, and others. The only problem is that there seems to be a conflict of interest and ethical breach of ethical standards, because ang complaint ng whistleblowers, it's a doctors marketing, prescribing the drugs or medicines, sila po ang nagpapasok din. Sila rin ang nag-i-import. They own the company. So, this has to be investigated. No? So, I already prepared a draft resolution which will be filed as we resume session this Monday. So, nakaprepare na po yung draft because, actually, this was, lumabas lang po siya ngayon sa media, but mga 2-3 months ago, we already knew about it and we did some research. So, yun po, we will look into it kung talagang may violation doon sa ethical standards, no, of medical practices, and yun nga, in conflict. Kasi nga po, kung ikaw pasyente, kung ano yung prescribe ng doktor, siyempre susunod ka lalo na sa mga probinsya, no? May mga supplements dyan na maaaring hindi naman kailangan. So yun ang mga titingnan natin. And we were also informed that doctors who will be recruited sa networking may incentives, no? Every time they prescribe products from the company. So para siya naging networking na rin. Initial investigation showed that may mga luxury cars and other luxury items, no, that are being used for incentive. So kailangan natin itong tingnan because this is clearly this is really violation of ethical standards and conflict of interest.